Welcome to week 3. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone is staying home safe and healthy in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the third week of our class, and by this point, we have covered 1/4 of the course. As usual, every Sunday, I will send an announcement letting you know what's coming up for the week. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topic being covered this week. Yes, 2 new chapters or the equivalent of 2 weeks worth of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar of Canvas. Here's a summary of what's coming up due this week. This week we are going to be studying chapters 5 and 6, Languages and Religions. Please read pages 144 to 179 for chapter 5 and pages 182 to 225 for chapter 6. Remember to also look at the PowerPoints, read the study guides, and watch the lecture videos. It is a good idea to complete the next set of key concepts for chapters 5 through 8 that we'll be doing next week as you read the class material. Cultural Geography News discussion number 2 will be available Monday 4/20 and is due Friday, April 24th by 11:59 p.m. I graded the first news discussion and most of you did well with the assignment. However, those of you who lost points, it was due primarily not following the guidelines for the assignment, mainly not providing two paragraphs with one summarizing the article, and the second one tying the article to topics being discussed in class. Also, you need to be specific about the chapter, PowerPoints, etc., where the articles tie into the class instead of just vaguely or generally talking about geography. Also, remember to provide paragraphs which are technically a minimum of 5 to 6 sentences. 1, 2, or 3 sentences are not paragraphs. Map quiz number 1, North America, Latin America, and the Caribbean was due Friday the 17th. A few of you have not completed this assignment. If you have not completed it, have not submitted it, you may still submit it after the deadline, but you will lose points. The farthest from the deadline you submitted, the more points you will lose. By the way, this rule applies to all of the assignments. Reflection number 1 and key concept questions from chapters 1 through 4 were due Saturday, April 18 by 11:59. I will be grading these later in the week. Exam number 1, chapters 1 through 4 is due tonight, Sunday, April 19. Again, you can take it on a limited number of times until the deadline. The highest score is the one that will remain in your record. You will take it past, if you take it past the deadline, the same rule to all of the other assignments applies. You will lose points. A few continue to be inactive in the class. That is, you are not regularly logging into the course. The deadline to the drop with a W has passed. And so now, whatever grade you earn in the class will be what appears on your record. The last day to withdraw from the course with a W on your record is May 8, 2020. If your inactivity means you are no longer interested in the course, it is still your responsibility, not the instructor's, to drop or withdraw from the course. If you need to withdraw with a W on your record, go here. Lastly, but very importantly, many of you have been contacting me about the free e-textbook. Remember that in order for you to be eligible, you have to sign in with an SDCC.edu account. Otherwise, the committee will deem you ineligible. Now, I don't have control nor know the process to get a student SDCC.edu email account. For that, you need to go to the SDCCD help desk. They are very helpful and I will guide you through the process. So call them or email them in the following link. Be safe and healthy and have a great rest of the week, and we will see you online.